we just want to come to the main points. Get it? So you're listening, it entirely clear. It is based on what? On your prediction. Keep in your mind, if you cannot predict the answer before listening, it will be impossible for you to understand the correct answer then. 50% of your work will be done through what? With the help of your prediction, and then later on 50% like by listening, the listening play, you can answer that one. But before moving towards that play, you should know about that of your prediction. Clear? In prediction, how many things you need to keep in your mind too? Number one, it could be your grammar, and the second one, clear, that could be your vocabulary. There are two things, clear, that with the help of that, you people can predict. Your whole test, your entire listening test, it is based on your prediction. Because I believe that prediction keeps us what? Prediction will keep you more focused. Because the thing you are in search of, clear, you never know that. What am I in search of? Because the answer could be one or two words only. And the person talking here, the speaker, he will talk a lot. The information he provides you, clear, there will be this much information, and how much like the answer could be one or two words only. Then finding out, clear, the correct answer without proper prediction is impossible. You cannot predict the correct answer. Do you understand? Yes. Now, look, what I'm gonna work here with you people. First of all, you need to be more focused on your collocations. Collocations. Clear? Sorry, collocation is related to your vocabulary portion. Okay? You should know about collocations. What are collocations? Because collocations will help you to find out the correct answer. Okay? Collocations can be of 2 words, it can be of 3 words, it can be of 4 words. Clear? If you're not familiarized with the collocations, I'm gonna send you a book, clear? You start reading that. Because collocations is of 2 or 3 words. Now, I just want to give you examples to understand properly about them. For example, they have provided you one of the options, clear? This is my blank. Now, what am I supposed? I need to focus on 2 places. How many places? 2. The words comes before this blank and words come after this blank. Because it will provide you all the information that either this blank is connected with the word, it comes after it, or it comes before this word. For example, now this is my blank, and I have written here kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Now, what is kitchen now here? Kitchen is a noun. According to grammar, kitchen is a noun. And the blank, clear, we want to use here, absolutely we need what? We need an adjective. What do we need? Adjective. We will need an adjective. Straight away you can come according to the grammar portion, because this blank is more connected with this. Adjective modifies a noun. Adjective gives more information here. So now, when you start hearing the speaker, they will talk a lot of things. But remember, what type of kitchen? Now they may say there will be a modern kitchen. So the word modern is what? It's an adjective. So modern kitchen, it gives you more proper answer here. Do you understand? Yeah. Clear? For example, they say stylish. Stylish. Clear? This is my word stylish. And the blank is here. What is stylish? It's an adjective. And the blank over here, this word is missing. So now, adjective needs what? Noun. Adjective needs a noun. Suppose. So this word will collocate with what? With this, the missing word. Now from here we can understand we need a noun, clear? So what type of noun? When you start listening to the speaker, the word they have provided you with stylish, clear? According to the vocabulary, they will use synonym for this word. They will use what? They will use synonym. They will not use the word stylish. Because stylish has already been given to you. And listening and reading is all based on what? It's all based on your vocabulary. I do tell you that look, if you're weak in vocabulary, you cannot perform better in your IELTS then. So because IELTS reading and listening is all based on what? Vocabulary. So for stylish, for example, this word is missing. Get it? And they start talking about everything, they provide you information, and finally they come up, clear, a modern kitchen. You may have, in your home, you may have a modern kitchen. Now, you are in search of the word modern, but you will not find the word modern. Why? Because they have used which word? Stylish. So stylish has been used with what? Modern. Clear? In modern, this is modern has been used. You should understand that the word modern has been used for stylish, and the missing word could be what? This can be my kitchen word. One thing. Another thing, clear? Now, so how many things we are dealing now? Old prediction, clear? Old prediction we are getting from what? We are getting from that of our grammar and vocabulary. Clear that these two are very important compulsory things that you need to predict the answer. For example, I need, clear, or for example, you need two, clear? So this here, now two it needs what? It needs a base form of the verb. Clear? For example, you will learn how to dish. Now, if you understand grammar, if you know grammar, straight away you will write down here that I need a verb, and the verb will be in which form? It will be in first form of verb. Now, for example, they will use in place of learn another vocabulary, synonym. Clear? One can master. Now, in place of you, they have used what? One can master, clear? How to what? How to cook, how to learn, how to teach, how to speak, clear? But whatever it will come, it will be base form of the word. So we can understand because of what? Because of the grammar portion. Because of what? Because of that of your vocabulary. You need to understand. For example, if I say the match starts 8, a dish. So now I can understand from 8 what I need here? Time. Very good. Then I'm looking for time. And in place of start, they will use another vocabulary word for you. They will use synonym. So how many things you need to know about? One thing, you should move focus on pronouns. How many things? Pronouns. You will move focus on pronouns. Clear?